Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I have been kind of laying low the last few weeks. Yep. I've had the big COVID. COVID. Yes, I've had it. And I wasn't a high risk kind of person, but it just goes to show that anybody can catch it. Don't know how I got it. I went to the doctor's office for a well checkup a few weeks ago, feeling fabulous. And 2 days later, I was aching like crazy. It started with body aches, and that's pretty much the hardest part of what I've experienced was just major body aches for about 4 days, and then it let up. And I had a little bit of nausea for one night because I overdid it. I thought I was feeling pretty good, and I overdid it, and then I paid for it. But that is part of the gastric bypass after effects that I had 6 years ago. If I get dehydrated, don't get enough fluids, that kind of thing, it makes me really nauseated. And so I think that's really what happened. I have just a little bit of congestion, but not even really cold symptoms. I had a little scratchy throat for a few days. It went away. I've had no fever. I've just been really weak and tired, and I've had so many people tell me who've had COVID to lay low and rest, even if you feel good, to rest. They say it usually takes a good month to bounce back, and it's been under 2 weeks that I've had it. And unfortunately now my husband Greg has it. So this has been a COVID household. We've quarantined on opposite ends of the house. We've not gone anywhere, not done anything. We've been faithful wearing our masks everywhere we go. So it just goes to show sometimes you can't beat it, but I'm not going to let it beat me. So I'm not doing art right now. I haven't for a few weeks, and I probably won't for another week or so. And I just want to say, if you'll go check out my Etsy shop, which is Sandra Lett Art, all one word. Support me if you can. Maybe make a purchase. You can make a PayPal donation. You can purchase a print. You can go to my website, and there's some things on my website in a shop. But try to support me if you can. I'm on Facebook, all over the place on Facebook, and you can find me there. You can always inquire about any pieces of art that I might have. On Facebook, I have an album called Current Artwork for Sale, and that shows pretty much everything that I have that is available for sale. And everything is negotiable. I am not hard fast on my prices. I try to work with people. If they have a budget and they need to stay within a budget, I try to do that and accommodate people, because I would rather have people have a piece of art in their home and enjoy it of mine than to not be able to afford something and it sit in my garage. So hang in there, stay tuned, don't give up on me. It's been a rough couple of weeks. I was supposed to go to Tennessee for a sister's weekend. I have 3 sisters. We haven't had a sister's weekend in 10 years because of having children and grandchildren and husbands, and I didn't get to go. They got to go, and I had to stay home, and that broke my heart. It was also the anniversary of my mother's passing last year during COVID. She passed from heart failure and cancer. It was a really quick thing. And we were gonna, sprinkle ashes and that kind of thing, and we didn't get to do any of that because she passed away in another state from where I am, and we couldn't have, a funeral or services or memorial or anything for her. So I missed out on getting to do all that this last couple of weeks. So hopefully I'll get to do that soon. But I just wanted to reach out and say hello. I love you. I miss creating and doing special things. I've really enjoyed the resin lately. Counterculture is a fabulous company that I use their resin, and they've been very gracious and good to me. And I've loved doing the resin projects that I've done here lately. And don't give up on the acrylic pouring. I'll get back to that eventually, but I'm not a one-trick pony. I like to kind of jump all over the place, and I have my tutorials I do as well. So if you can find a way to support me, this has been a lean month, and if you can support me by purchasing a class in my tutorials, or a set of coasters on Etsy or anything like that, it would be greatly appreciated. Like I said, everything is negotiable. You go to Facebook, look at my Facebook page, and there's an album artwork for sale, and check it out. There might be something you see, and I'm always willing to work with you if you would like to have a piece of my art. I hope you stay happy and healthy, and this has been a hard couple of weeks for me to really stay low and be quiet and rest, and I miss creating and letting those juices flow. So I'm hoping I can get back to that in a good week or so, and just say prayers for me that I continue to heal and get stronger. And I pray that none of you will have COVID. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's been like a mild case of the flu for me. So I've been very fortunate and blessed. And I know that there's people out there that have way more serious health conditions than I do. And so don't feel sorry for me. Just lift me up in your prayers and continue to be there to encourage me so that I can be here to encourage you, because that's what it's all about. I am loving sharing my art journey, and I want to encourage those people out there who are artists and who are becoming artists, or, transitioning from a job into the art world. I want to keep pushing you and inspiring you to be creative and to pursue your dreams like I have. It's been a beautiful journey of over 20 years. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next video. Hugs. Bye-bye.